Edward spent the Twilight series trying to stop Bella from becoming a vampire, and Midnight Sun reveals he always knew that was going to happen. Yes, you heard me right. Hi, my name is Shruti, and stay tuned to know more.
When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there.
Midnight Sun offers a different point of view of the events in Twilight thanks to Edward Cullen being the narrator. As a result, the book comes with some revelations such as Edward knowing from the beginning that Bella was going to become after. And in the meantime, Mayer began working on a fifth book titled Midnight Sun. But a couple of days after the fourth book, Breaking Dawn, was published, and a couple of months before the release of the first movie, 12 chapters from Midnight Sun were leaked, and Mayer decided to stop writing it. Fans waited for years for updates on the fifth book, and in May 2020, Mayer announced it was ready to see the light and was finally published in August. What's special about Midnight Sun is that it's a retelling of Twilight but from Edward's perspective, which answers a lot of questions but also makes some big reveals. Midnight Sun offers a deal. From the very beginning of the novel, Edward notices there is something different with Bella as she is the only person whose thoughts he can't read, and Bella's special quality is a vampire. Together, Alice and Edward work through these possible outcomes based on their present actions. For example, taking Bella to Meadow leaves the Edward kills Bella future out. But one that remains is Bella becoming one of them. Edward spends a big part of the Twilight series postponing Bella's transformation and giving excuses as he doesn't want her to go through the same suffering as he has. But Bella never changes her mind about it. Edward, knowing from the beginning that she was going to become a vampire at some point, explains why he questioned every single decision since their relationship began, as they could be a step closer to that particular future coming true. While this explains why he was so worried all the time about everything that happened around him and Bella, it also makes their relationship more problematic and highlights Edward's manipulative ways. Edward didn't trust Bella's decisions and did what he could to change her mind and the future he saw thanks to his sister, instead of letting Bella make her own mistakes and decisions. Midnight Sun has various revelations, some dark, others silly, and some then do more harm to the characters than Mayer probably expected. So that's it for today's video. Guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel Twins TV, and see you in the next one.